Welcome viewers, I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. Today's mathematics class is an exponential equation, and the question has given to us on the board. If 9 raised to the power x minus 10 multiplied by 9 raised to the power negative x is equal to 9, then let us get the value of x. Kindly subscribe to my channel, watch this video till the end, and at the end of the day, please share the video with your friends who may have need of this video. Alright? Through it, I believe they will learn. Alright, let's dive in. Solution to this. I am given 9 raised to the power x minus 10 multiplied by 9 raised to the power minus x equal to 9. The first thing I will do is to apply exponential negative law. That is, a raised to the power x negative x is equal to 1 all over a raised to the power x. If I give you 2 raised to the power negative x, it is equal to 1 all over 2 raised to the power x. That is what I will apply here to have 9 raised to the power x minus 10 multiplied by 1 all over 9 raised to the power x equal to 9. What this means now is that I have applied the negative power index law, okay, at the middle term, and this is what it gives. Then, I can say this is over 1, this is over 1, so I can find the LCM by the left hand side, which is 9 to the power of x. 1 divide this will give me 9 to the power of x, multiplying this will give me 9 to the power of x multiplied by 9 to the power of x, then minus 9 to the power of x divided 9 to the power of x is 1 multiplied by negative 10 is negative 10. Then this is equal to 9, okay, all over 1. At this point, I can take cross multiplication so that it becomes 9 to the power of x multiplied by 9 to the power of x. Then minus 10 is equal to 9 multiplied by 9 to the power of x. Very good. So moving forward, what next should we do now? Let's do it like this. Applying from the left hand side, I will apply this law of indices that says a raised to the power x multiplied by a raised to the power y is equal to a raised to the power addition x plus y. So therefore, I'm going to add these powers to get 9 to the power of 2x, that is x plus x. Then minus 10 is equal to 9 multiplied by 9 to the power of x. I don't want to write it like 9 to the power of x plus 1. Okay? So let's move on. I will move this value now that I have by the right hand side to the left hand side so that it will look like this. 9 to the power of 2x minus 10. So this one crossing over will now be minus 9 multiplied by 9 to the power of x equal to 0. So I can rewrite it as, you see, law of indices. If I have a raised to the power mn, okay, xy, it is equal to a raised to the power yx, and it is also equal to a raised to the power x all to the power of y. So all these are equal according to the exponential law. Therefore, what it means is that here I can write it as 9 raised to the power x, then raised to the power 2. So I have interchanged the exponents. Then this place I can write it as minus, then let me put it as 9, okay, multiplied by 9 to the power of x, then minus 10 equal to 0. What I have done here is to, interchange the positions, moving 10 to the front, and then what I have as the last term now comes to the middle. But what I will now put it is that let us put it like this. Let t be equal to 9 to the power of x. Meaning, anywhere I now see 9 to the power of x, I will replace it with the letter t. And when I do that, you see this 9 raised to the power x will now be t raised to the power 2. So this 9 will still remain. Then why this 9 to the power of x will now be t, okay, because t is equal to 9 to the power of x. Therefore, 9 multiplied by t will now give me 90. Finally, I have minus 10 equal to 0. It has balanced. Mathematics is life. So as it is now, it is a quadratic equation. So I can use any of the methods of quadratic equation in solving it. Alright? Please subscribe to my channel. Share to your learning colleagues. Alright. The method I will use is called factorization method. I will look for two numbers I will multiply to get minus 10. And when I add that same two numbers, it will give me minus 9. Okay, let us think of maybe 10 and the minus 1. Very good, very good. 10 multiplied by minus 1 will give me minus 10. And 10 plus minus 1 will give me... Okay, let's make it a minus 10 plus 1. Very good. Minus 10 multiplied by 1 will give me minus 10. And minus 10 plus 1 will give me minus 9. So this is correct. We will now use these two values to replace the middle term so that it will give us t squared, then minus 10t plus t, that is 1t, then minus 10 equal to 0. So I will factorize it. This is called the process of factorization in quadratic equation. The first bracket, what is common is t, so I have t minus 10. In the second bracket, what is common is plus 1, so that I also have t minus 10, everything equal to 0. Meaning that I will use t outside here and then plus 1 to form another bracket and then one of the brackets taken, since they are both the same. Very good. Maths is life. Remember to subscribe to Cletus Okoli. We move on. Watch it over and over again and again, and you see that it will make sense to you. From the first bracket I have t plus 1 is equal to 0, meaning that t is equal to negative 1. First value of t. From the second bracket I have it that t minus 10 is equal to 0, meaning that t is equal to positive 10. Recall that t is equal to 9 to the power of x. So, 9 to the power of x is equal to t. What does it mean? If I now write 9 to the power of x equal to negative 1, this cannot work because here is positive and here is negative, so it cannot work at all. So we reject this particular one. This is rejected. What it means is that we are going to take the second value of t. So the value of t being negative cannot work for us. So we take the value of t equal to 10. Still moving on. When t is equal to 10, so I will now have 9 to the power of x equal to 10. Both sides are positive. This will work beautifully. Alright. So what will I do? Let me take logarithm to both sides, which is the log of 9 to the power of x equal to the log of 10. If you don't mind, they are in the natural base, which is base 10. So this is base 10, this is base 10. So according to the law of logarithm, exponential law of logarithm, this x will come to the front to give me x log 9 base 10 is equal to, in fact, log 10 base 10 is 1 according to the law of logarithms. The logarithm to its own base is equal to 1. Therefore, I can now move log 9 base 10 to the right hand side to get that x is equal to 1, okay, divided by the log of 9 base 10. So this is 1, but log 9, I can make use of calculator here. Log 9, okay, to base 10 is going to give me 0.9542, okay, 0.9542. Therefore, I will now divide 1 divided by 0.9542. This is now going to give me x equal to 1.04799. So x is approximately 1.05, okay, 1.05. That is the value of x. So what we are looking for here, which is the value of x, is 1.05. Thank you for watching to the end. Remember to subscribe to the channel and also share the video with your learning colleagues. God bless you for watching to the end.